Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an incredibly exciting topic that's shaping the future: data science and AI, your gateway to success. In the next few minutes, we'll explore what data science and AI are, and how these fields can open up doors to a successful future for you. So, let's get started. What is data science? Imagine having a treasure trove of information, but not knowing how to make sense of it. That's where data science comes in. It's like being a detective who digs into data, spots trends, and extracts valuable insights from all that information. From business decisions to healthcare advancements, data science helps us make informed choices based on data patterns. The power of AI now. Let's talk about AI, artificial intelligence. Think of it as creating computer minds. AI empowers machines to learn from experiences, adapt to new tasks, and even make decisions like humans. You've probably interacted with AI when you use voice assistants or get recommendations on streaming platforms. It's all about giving machines the ability to understand and act smartly. The synergy of data science and AI. Here's the cool part: data science and AI work together like a dynamic duo. Data science helps gather, clean, and organize the data that AI needs to learn from. And AI, in turn, supercharges data science by automating processes and finding patterns that humans might miss. This collaboration creates a powerhouse of insights and intelligence. Your path to success now. How can you ride this wave of data science and AI to success? First, the journey starts with learning. There are plenty of online courses, workshops, and resources that break down these concepts into manageable pieces. Remember, you don't need to be a genius. Curiosity and dedication go a long way. Real-world applications. Let's talk real-world applications. In healthcare, data science helps doctors analyze patient data for accurate diagnosis. AI aids in predicting diseases and developing treatments. In business, data science optimizes processes, and AI enhances customer experiences. The possibilities are endless. Embracing the future. As we wrap up, remember that data science and AI are shaping the future. These fields are evolving rapidly, and by becoming part of them, you're not only setting yourself up for exciting career opportunities but also contributing to a smarter, more innovative world. Thanks for joining me today on this enlightening journey into data science and AI, your gateway to success. Don't hesitate to explore resources, ask questions, and embark on this incredible path. Remember, the future is yours to create. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, keep learning and keep succeeding. Stay curious.